How to turn off creators account or how to disable professional mode on your Instagram. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video today, I'll guide you through the steps on how you can turn off creators mode on Instagram. Well, the process itself is actually pretty simple and pretty easy, so let me guide you through this video. In order to turn off the creators mode on Instagram, you wanna first simply go ahead and open up your Instagram and head over to your profile. Now here you can see my professional dashboard is on here. That means I'm on creators mode, right? To disable this, simply tap on the hamburger icon at the top right corner. And once you tap on the hamburger icon, you want to scroll down and you can see the option that says creator tools and controls. You might find creator tools and controls or business tools and controls. Either ways, you want to head into it. Once you head into it, you'll find the option towards the bottom here. You can see the fourth last option that says switch account type. So you want to tap on switch account type option, and now you want to tap on switch to personal account, and this way you'll be switched back to personal account and your creators mode will be turned off. So this is how you can disable the creators mode or turn off creator account on Instagram. Hope this video was helpful. Do like and subscribe, and also do not forget to leave comments down below if you have any further issues as well.